Yeah, it is howling this morning and expected to even be stronger as we go throughout the day today and tomorrow. National Weather Service issuing wind advisories for the entire region and really for much of the central U.S. as a potent storm system gets ready to move out of the desert southwest. This afternoon, some gusts. These will be from the south, upwards of 30 to 40 miles per hour, possibly as high as 45 miles per hour in a few spots across southern Illinois this afternoon. Again, out of the south, if you do have anything that can blow around, make sure it is secure. Even stronger winds as we move into Thursday afternoon. An area of low pressure is going to approach our region. We do anticipate the strongest winds to occur far southern Illinois, western Kentucky, and parts of the Missouri boot heel, where we could see some gusts very close to 50 miles per hour. So very windy weather. Those winds out of the south is keeping the mild temperatures still in place. This morning we've got readings that are above the average high temperatures for this time of year. Carbondale at 52 degrees. Those winds sustained right now 22 miles per hour. So yes, it is going to be mild. It is going to be very windy today, but we do anticipate most of the rain to hold off until tonight and into Thursday. Thursday, likely to be a washout here in our region, but as this system approaches our area, we also could see a chance for a few stronger storms. Narrow window for severe weather, but anytime from about late morning through the early part of the afternoon, a few storms could produce strong straight line winds, and I can't entirely rule out a brief spin up tornado or two. Then this system passes on by and another blast of Arctic air on the way towards the end of this week. So again, this system still well to our west this morning. We've been tracking it for the last couple of days. It's been moving on to the west coast, now moving into the desert southwest, and will approach our region as we head through the day on Thursday. So this afternoon, dry weather, temperatures into the low to mid 60s. Yesterday we hit 63 degrees. We actually had a few readings in western Kentucky in the upper 60s. Today we may even be a little warmer than that. We could see a few spots very close to 70 degrees, especially south of the Ohio River, mid to upper 60s across southern Illinois. And here comes the rain later on tonight. After midnight, a few showers, but really as we move into Thursday morning, that's when we expect the heavier rain to arrive, especially mid to late morning or so. You'll see this area of low pressure getting a little closer to us, rain overspreading the area. Heaviest rain expected really north of Route 13 across southern Illinois, but also notice the timing here, 11 a.m. Some of these storms out ahead of this area of low pressure developing a line of storms, and again, some of these could be on the strong side, especially as we move into the early part of the afternoon. Strong cold front going to move through. We've got 60s out ahead of this, 40s right behind the front, and once again, strong straight line winds possible with any of these storms, especially in far southern Illinois and in southward into western Kentucky, and a brief spin up tornado or two can't entirely be ruled out. It's in and out of here pretty quickly though as the front moves through. Temperatures quickly falling, and we will finally bottom out Friday morning into the teens for actual temperatures. Wind chills running near 10 degrees on Friday morning, but the Storm Prediction Center has now included the entire region in a level 2. We still think the biggest risk will be in some of our southern counties through the day on Thursday, but again, just a day to watch. This is not going to be a big severe weather outbreak, but once again, we could see a few stronger storms here with strong straight line winds and that possibility of a brief spin up tornado. Heavy rain also a good possibility, especially in some of our northern counties where we do expect anywhere from about 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rain. In this area, especially closer to the Kaskaskia River there, we could see some totals that are isolated over 3 inches. And so the Weather Prediction Center here has pushed the medium threat for flooding into much of our region. So again, one of those days just to watch. Heavy rain, good possibility along I-64. That's where the highest flooding threat is going to be. Very windy though, even outside of thunderstorms. Some gusts once again, 45, 50 miles per hour possible in that window for severe weather about late morning through early to mid afternoon. All right, 39 degrees. We'll do it on average for a high temperature on Friday. We'll start to bounce back this weekend, upper 40s on Saturday, and then close to 60 on Sunday. 60s return into the early part of next week. 60s in February, you know that showers and storms not too far away. That's likely to be the case once again as we move into Monday night and Tuesday. Another potent storm system brings us more wet weather.
No, on tonight, we're not expecting anything severe tonight. This tomorrow.
Not tonight. It is going to be, again, a narrow window from about late morning tomorrow through about mid-afternoon is the time to watch.
All right, thanks for that. We appreciate it.